So how does online drug trafficking work? How does online drug trafficking work, you might ask? How it works is, first, they set up special encryption and technology, such as tools that disguise IP addresses and identities and have encryption to hide things like conversations between sellers and buyers. Then, a store or storefront is created in the dark web. Then, using that storefront, the site contacts sellers and distributors in order to have the site be attractive to people who want to buy said drugs. Afterwards, they put the site live onto the dark web using things like special software to hide their server IP for the websites so they can't get tracked by the police, and they're good to go. Dark web drugstores are the easiest way for people to get drugs, as it provides absolutely no paper trail for them, and it's easy to access for everyone because everyone has an internet connection and you can access it on your smartphone or your computer.